Then it's no fun when you run out of matches.
No.
So here's a good trick. You take your empty matchbox, you can see it's empty, can't you? All right, nothing in there?
Yes, certainly.
All right, you close it, tap it once, turn it round, tap it again, and full of matches.
Full of matches. I think you have something up your sleeve.
Tumble to me. Yeah, sure.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
Look at
well.
that, another matchbox held in place with a rubber band, and if I open it, yes, I was sure I'd find
Well,
matches
that's the
in there.
one.
And that was the one rattling.
Well, you've tumbled to me, so how is it that this one really works? You see, full of matches.
Yeah, that's
in fact,
amazing.
if I open it up, you'll see, there they all are. See them all poking up there?
Where did they come from?
Well, if I turn it round again and tap it,
Yes.
they've all gone.
How could that be?
Empty.
What are you doing? What's inside
Well,
that matchbox? What does the
there is
tray
a
look
trick.
like? That's absolutely amazing. How is it done?
By fiddling with the matchbox and doctoring the tray. You see? No bottom to it.
Oh, I see.
Let me put everything down and
Yes.
show you what's happening. There we are. There are the matches, and there is the rest of the tray. Cut through, I suppose, about a quarter of the way from its end. And so you can see, if I just put a few matches in to demonstrate, like that, that lies inside the matchbox in that sort of fashion. So that, if I want to show it full, I push up from below and everything rides up. But if I want to show it empty, I
You
pull
pull.
up from above and the matches stay behind. And that's all you have to do.
Curiosity.